How to fix the camera control button not working on iPhone 16 Pro. One of the following steps may help to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Check camera control settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down to the camera settings and tap on it. Now, tap on Camera Control. Here, toggle the Clean Preview option off, and then turn it back to on again. Then, change the launch camera gesture from single click to double click, and then back to single click. Go back to home screen. Now, test the control button to see if it works. If not, proceed to the next step. Adjust accessibility settings. Open the Settings app. Then, scroll down to the accessibility settings and tap on it. Again, scroll down to the physical and motor section. In here, tap on camera control. Then, ensure that camera control toggle is turned on. Verify that other related options are also enabled. Go back to home screen. Try using the control button again. If it still doesn't work, continue to the next step. Update iOS. Open the Settings app. Then, scroll down to the General Settings and tap on it. Here, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. After updating, go back to home screen. Test the camera control button again. If it's still unresponsive, move to the next step. Force restart. Ensure you're on the home screen. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Release the button and your device will restart. Once restarted, try using the camera control button again. If the issue persists, proceed to the final step. Contact Apple support. If none of the above steps work, the issue may be hardware related. Visit your nearest authorized Apple store for further assistance. And that's it. One of these steps should help resolve the issue with your camera control button.